Understanding pass line bet in craps, an easy guide for beginners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a specific phrase often heard in the world of casino games, especially in craps: the pass line bet. This phrase can be a bit tricky for English learners, so let's break it down together and understand what it means, how it's used, and its context in the game of craps. Before we delve into the term pass line bet, it's important to understand the game it's associated with: craps. Craps is a popular dice game typically played in casinos. It involves players betting on the outcomes of the roll, or a series of rolls, of a pair of dice. It's known for its unique lingo and fast-paced action. Now, let's focus on our main phrase. A pass line bet is one of the most fundamental bets in craps. Here's what you need to know about it. 1. Basic definition. It's a wager that the shooter, the person rolling the dice, will win. Essentially, you're betting on the success of the dice roll. 2. How it works. The bet is placed on the pass line before the initial roll, known as the come-out roll. 3. Winning and losing. If the come-out roll is a 7 or 11, the pass line bet wins. However, if it's 2, 3, or 12, it loses. Any other number establishes a point, and the shooter must roll that number again before rolling a 7 for the pass line bets to win. Understanding how the phrase is used in context is crucial. When someone says, "I'm placing a pass line bet," they're participating in a round of craps and betting on the outcome of the dice. It's a common phrase you'll hear around the craps table in a casino, and it signifies the player's optimism or confidence in the game's outcome. And that's a wrap on understanding the pass line bet in craps. I hope this video helps clarify this unique phrase and adds to your English vocabulary, especially if you're interested in casino games. Remember, language learning is not just about grammar and vocabulary, but also about understanding the cultural and contextual use of phrases. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.